Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G21, and today I'll show you how we can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will want to open up your contacts application. You're looking specifically for the standalone version of it, like this one. From here you want to tap on the three bars and navigate into settings. At the bottom you will find import option, and then here you want to select your SIM card. Confirm that, and this will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. From here you can deselect contacts that you might not want, and additionally if you see some contacts that are already deselected and grayed out, that's completely fine. You already have those contacts in your phone and it's simply stopping you from importing it twice. Anyway, once you have all the contacts that you do want selected, click on import at the top. This will give you the amount of contacts that have been imported, and when you go back you should be able to see them in your list right here. So there we go. So that is how you can import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.